Thank you for choosing Salvajor. In today's video, we will build a specification for a disposer package in a new facility. To begin, let's click on Build Your Own Disposer Package located in the upper right-hand corner at salvajor.com. Since we are building a new spec, let's click New. If we know the model or horsepower from past experience or recommendations, we can choose Yes and Next. If not, choose No. The area of use helps size the horsepower of the disposer. Parts of an operation create various types of food waste. Let's choose the soil dish table and Next. Another factor to help specify our package is the amount of meals served per day. This operation provides 750 meals per day. Let's choose 500 to 1,000 and Next. Specific voltage and phase are needed to ensure proper power is provided to operate our disposer package. We have 208 volt 3-phase in this dish room location. So let's choose 208 233 phase and Next. A sink or cone assembly is required to mount the disposer. It will install beneath the sink or soil dish table. Cone assemblies help compartmentalize food waste and make things a little more efficient. Let's choose the 12-inch cone bowl, then Next. The control panel is essential to our disposer package. It turns the disposer on and off as a basic function. Many options are available to extend the life of the cutting elements. Time run feature, drain flush, as well as energy and water savings are also available. Let's learn more. Click No and Next. 750 meals per day at the soil dish table would apply to a medium to large kitchen. Let's choose accordingly and Next. Water and energy are real costs to the operation of a dish room. We should choose Yes unless our budget is extremely tight. Let's choose Yes. The WSP, which is an acronym for Water Savings Package, is a demand control system that senses the operator's presence and reduces water flow by 80% when the operator has to step away. Let's choose the WSP and Next. Sometimes we will want to provide a mounting bracket for our fabricator. Let's choose Yes and Next. Add your mounting bracket and click Next. Many options are available to make your disposer package more efficient. See the description below for details on each option. Let's click Yes and Next to see what else we can do to improve our operation. A dejamming prong is always a good idea unless you already have one. Let's choose that for now and click Next. We have created the disposer package information to specify or purchase for our kitchen. Please click the like and subscribe if this was helpful. Thank you for choosing Salvajor. The link to the Salvajor Build Your Disposer package is below. Thank you.